Hello, I'm back again. Now we're gonna bake apple pie. I decided to bake apple pie instead of, oh no, apple cake instead of apple pie. Check all the ingredients. By the way, this recipe I found it on the internet, and I checked. I have all the ingredients I need, and then I think it's simple, so I'll give it a try. Before I forget, shout out to my friend Nina's Peace. So came this morning and brought me some apples. That's why I gonna make apple cake. So here are the ingredients. This is 1 and 3/4 cups of flour. I already sifted this. In here is a pinch dash of salt and 2.5 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/3 cup of plain yogurt, Greek yogurt, 1 1/3 cup of brown sugar. The recipe calls for white sugar, but for some reason I like brown sugar. I find it not too sweet. And 1/3 cup of canola oil or any oil, or butter if you want to. 3 eggs. And a zest of 1 lemon. And in here we're gonna blend 2 large, and in here we're gonna 2 large apples, cored, unpeeled, and cut it in small pieces, and squeeze juice of half of the lemon, and then we're gonna blend it really good. So I'll start blending. One more. Okay, we're gonna beat the 3 eggs with the brown sugar until it's well blended. Oil, like 2 batches. Add the flour and baking powder, salt mixture. The rest of the flour. Don't forget to scrape the sides down. Stir in the no, not apple, the yogurt. Stir in the apple. And the zest. Okay, this is ready. Everything's in here. Just put in a spring form pan and 350 degrees preheated oven. I'll double check how many minutes. 25 minutes. I'll double check. Ta-da! Here's the final product. Apple yogurt cake. I bake it
A little over an hour
50
later.
degrees for an hour. And you can eat it with ice cream or Cool Whip. We're just gonna wait for another 30 minutes to cool it down a little bit, and then we can see if it tastes good. Looks good though. Should taste good. I'll let you know later. See ya.
Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in my next vlog.